Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your cooking skills to the next level? Today, we're diving into a deliciously daring adventure – the Great Food Challenge, cooking with only 5 ingredients. Yes, you heard that right. Just 5 ingredients to create mouth-watering dishes. Sounds challenging? Well, it is. But I promise you, it's going to be a lot of fun. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Alright, here's how it works. I'll be preparing 3 different dishes, and each dish will only require 5 ingredients. You might be wondering what those ingredients are. Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look. For today's challenge, I've chosen chicken breast, bell peppers, onion, garlic, and olive oil. Simple, right? But trust me, these ingredients can create a world of flavors. Let's get started with our first dish. First up, we're making a quick and easy stir-fried chicken and peppers. To kick things off, let's slice the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's chop our bell peppers and onion. Remember, the more colorful your dish, the more appealing it looks. And we eat with our eyes first, so let's make this vibrant. Once everything is chopped, it's time to heat our skillet. Drizzle in some olive oil and let it heat up. While that's warming, let's add the garlic for an aromatic base. You'll know it's ready when you can smell that heavenly garlic fragrance. Now, let's toss in the chicken pieces. Sizzle, sizzle. Cook them until they're golden brown, and then we'll add our colorful bell peppers and onion. Stir it all together, and let those flavors mingle. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes until the veggies are tender, and voila! Our first dish is ready. Look at those vibrant colors. Let's plate it up. Time for a taste test. Let's dig in. You guys, this is bursting with flavor. The garlic really elevates the dish, and the crunch of the peppers adds a nice texture. Can you believe this was made with just 5 ingredients? Amazing! Now that we've conquered our first dish, let's move on to the second. This time, we're going to make a delicious chicken and bell pepper quesadilla. And guess what? We're still sticking to our 5 ingredient rule. First, I'm going to shred some leftover chicken from our stir fry. Then, we'll mix it with our sautéed bell peppers and onions from earlier. Now, grab your tortillas. We'll layer our chicken and veggie mix between 2 tortillas and head back to the skillet. Cook it on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're golden and crispy. The aroma is incredible. I can barely wait to taste this. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's slice this beauty up and see what we've got. Oh my goodness, look at that melty goodness. Here we go. This is so cheesy and flavorful. The crunch from the quesadilla paired with the savory chicken and vibrant veggies is just perfect. And I made this with only 5 ingredients. Who knew cooking could be this easy? Now, for our final dish, we're going to make a comforting chicken and vegetable bake. So simple yet so satisfying. Let's get started. We'll combine our cooked chicken, sautéed veggies, and a drizzle of olive oil in a baking dish. Season it to your liking, and then we'll pop it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. This will allow all those flavors to meld together beautifully. After that heavenly aroma fills your kitchen, it's finally time to dig in. Let's see what we've created. The chicken is so juicy, and the veggies are tender but still have a bite. This is comfort food at its finest. I can't believe we created all 3 of these dishes with just 5 ingredients. Thank you for joining me on the Great Food Challenge, cooking with only 5 ingredients. I hope you're inspired to try these recipes at home. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty challenges, and share your own 5 ingredient creations in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!